If Diesel 10 has unfinished business, there's sure to be trouble right around the corner.
Two fly, that's it. Gotta still buzz off.
Botheration?
You weren't concentrating, Thomas. Lucky for you that the buffers were there.
That's what buffers are for, to stop engines from crashing. What are you doing in the shits, James?
I'm feeling a little blue, which isn't so hot when you're red. Okay, fine. I was naughty and Sir Topham Hatt told me to think about all the ways I could be useful. Then I could come out again.
He's just trying to make this a better railway for steam engines. Sir Topham Hatt says the harder we work, the less you'll need diesels to help.
Help you! You always need help because steam engines are cowardly. Perhaps you up some meal or couldn't hurt a fly.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
What?
Why you? Now, I've come back to find a lost steam engine. I'm gonna destroy her, and then you'll be nothing but use and scrap. Right, Big Chief?
Big Bully.
We're really useful engines. You won't dominate us and you won't destroy her. We won't let you, neither will Mr. Conductor. I'm off to fetch him now.
What lost engine?